Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil. This is our third video on Vue.js tutorial, and in this video we will learn that how we can install Vue.js and create our first application. In last video I also told you that how you can use Vue.js without any installation, like we are using jQuery with the CDN and all, right? So these are the points for this video. First of all, we will install and download Node and npm. After that we will install Vue CLI with the command line, and after that we will create our first application, run it on the browser, and we will check that everything is working fine. So let's just open a new tab for Chrome and write here Node, right? You can jump directly on your Node website, or you can just go through with the Google. So just click on a first link, Node.js, and here from here you can download your Node. There is a two version, which is 14.15.5 and 15.940. So this is the latest version, but this is the most stable version and recommended for the most users. So you can click on it and you can download it, right? I already one setup downloaded it, so without wasting any time I will just click on it and we can just install it. So now it will ask for some terms and condition acceptations and all, so we can just put here in my system Node.js is already installed. That's why it will just ask for remove, repair, or sorry for that, and change, right? So I'm just going with the change. So let's select that one and just do the next. And now this is installation is starting, right? So it will just might be take some time if you are installing first time, but I'm just changing it because my Node.js is already installed, so it will not gonna take much time. So we can just finish it, and after that let's just open the command line and put here node -v, right? For so that we can check that node is installed or not. Here we can see that node 14.15.5 is installed here, right? With that npm is also installed automatically. We can check it with npm -v, and here you can check that 6.14.11, this is the npm version. So don't be confused why the both versions are different. Definitely they will always be different, so don't worry about that. Now first thing is done. Now what we can do here with our steps, so now we need to install Vue CLI, right? So just open here command line and we can install Vue CLI. So now you might be thinking that where and which folder we need to install this. So this is installed globally, right? I just want to show you the official documentation for that. Just right here introduction, so that we can jump quickly on the installation also. And here you can see that this is the command for installation Vue CLI, right? So here you will find npm install -g. -g means this is the global, so we can install it in any folder. It will automatically install in our complete system, that means globally, right? So don't worry about any folder and all, you can install it anywhere, right? So now just write here npm install -g @vue/cli and hit it. So it will again take some time for installation, so that I'm just going to pause this video so that we can save the time and all. So all right, our Vue CLI is also installed. So how we can check that? For that you can just simply put here Vue command, and if there is an error like command not found, that means there is something wrong. But if it will provide output like this, here you can see that we got the commands, versions and all, that means everything is installed perfectly. So here we can check that Vue version also. So okay, we need to use capital V, I think. And here you can see that our Vue CLI version is 4.5.11. Keep in mind Vue CLI version and Vue version is always also different, like Node and npm, right? Now let's go on the any folder where you want to install your application, your first application, I would like to say. So I want to install my application in Vue tut folder. Open command line and simply put here Vue create your application name. Let's say my application name is blog, and hit enter. So whenever we will hit enter, it will ask for some questions like on which version you want to use. So it will ask me that default version for Vue version 2 or Vue version 3, because this is a Vue version 3 series, so I will prefer Vue 3 and just hit it. Now it will just create a blog folder, and inside this blog folder, first of all, we have a package.json, which is the most important file because it will taking the carrying the detail of your application like version, script, and package and all. After that, it will generate your npm node modules, public folder, src folder, and all, right? So again, it will take some little bit time, and I'm gonna pause this video again. So application installed. Now we can just jump on blog, and we can run our command npm, or you can just open this code inside the code editor also with the code dot command. If you are using Visual Studio Code, then this command will work. Otherwise, if you are using another another code editor like you can say Node or Sublime, then this command will not gonna work, right? So now just run it with the npm run serve command, and now you will find that your application is serving, and it will just take some moment to start your local virtual server, and you can just, okay, within that time this is just installing here, making build here, so we can just go through with it. We have a package.json file for all details, and src folders and public folder and all. We will just take everything a detailed knowledge in the next video. So now I think build is done here, and now you can just go to this URL with your browser, and this is working fine. As you can see that your application is running great. And in next video we will go through with the structure and file structure and folder structure and all. We will also check that how we can change our first code and from where this code is actually coming. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.